Monday, November 27th. We've talked about assault weapons before, semi-automatic weapons, and how we do not believe, or I do not believe, that it is covered by the Second Amendment. Second Amendment covers handguns and other basic weapons, but not weapons of war. The Supreme Court has determined not to rule on a ruling by the Fourth Circuit, which ruled on a Maryland law. Maryland is in the Fourth Circuit. The circuit means different states are part of the circuit. Virginia, North Carolina, West Virginia, and whatever states are in there are different circuits around the country. Maryland came out with a law which stated that semi-automatic or automatic weapons are illegal in the state. It was challenged. It went up. A U.S. District Court judge questioned whether or not it would be a constitutional law, so it went up to the Fourth Circuit. The Fourth Circuit heard it with all the judges, 14 judges. Came down 10-4 that the Fourth Circuit said basically that these are weapons of war and that they could be banned under the law. This law was then, or this ruling was then appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, asked for a writ of certiorari. The Supreme Court refused to hear it, which means that this law is in effect in Maryland, which means that at least in the Fourth Circuit, that semi-automatic weapons can be found illegal and are not covered. Wow, that was beautiful, right? And are not covered by the Second Amendment. Very simple, very clear. So all these people will come on and say, yeah, you can own any gun you want. Not true. And the Supreme Court had the chance to step in. All these people go, Heller, had the chance to step in and say, this law is unconstitutional, and they didn't. Which means that it is constitutional to pass a law in a state which bans semi-automatic or automatic weapons. Great. The steps are moving forward. Things are happening under the radar of people. This is moving on. This is beautiful news. It's great news. So for all of you that think that the Second Amendment gives you the right to own any type of automatic weapon, looks like you got a problem in the Fourth Circuit, and it's about time. Peace.